Welcome to Summarize Science, where the latest breakthroughs in technology are explored for everyone. Today, we are looking at a new system called MACUI that helps teachers create interactive simulations without writing a single line of code. This tool uses generative AI to transform static textbooks and PDF documents into living, breathing courseware. Traditionally, if a teacher wanted to create a physics simulation, they would need deep expertise in programming languages like JavaScript. Most educators simply do not have the time to learn complex coding alongside their busy teaching schedules. This often leaves students stuck with static images and text that can make complex science topics feel dry and uninteresting. The researchers designed MACUI to bridge this gap by allowing teachers to browse their documents and select specific sections for generation. For example, a teacher could select a chapter on light and lenses to generate a tool that lets students manipulate focal lengths in real time. The result is a dual-panel interface where the left side explains the theory and the right side provides a hands-on experiment. The system works through a sophisticated multi-stage process to ensure the content is both accurate and visually appealing. First, the AI analyzes the uploaded document to extract key concepts, learning objectives, and step-by-step procedures. By understanding the subject matter first, the system avoids the factual errors that common AI tools sometimes make. In one instance, the researchers demonstrated how the system could create a simulation for Newton's first law. Students could adjust the mass of a skater and the friction of the surface to see exactly how these variables affect stopping distance. This turns an abstract formula into something tangible that students can truly feel through interaction. One of the most impressive features is the click-to-locate editing interface built into the system. If a teacher wants to change a specific part of the simulation, they just click on it and type their request in plain English. Instead of waiting minutes for a full regeneration, the system applies the update in under 10 seconds. To test the effectiveness of this tool, the team conducted a controlled study with 40 participants. They found that MACUI significantly reduced the time and effort required to refine educational materials. Participants rated the system highly for its ability to produce professional-looking layouts that help attract student attention. The researchers also deployed the system in a real high school classroom for 3 months to see its impact on actual students. During this time, students who used the interactive simulations showed much higher gains in STEM subjects compared to traditional classes. The data showed that this interactive approach fostered a much stronger sense of learning agency among the students. Perhaps most importantly, lower-performing students saw the biggest improvements and felt more confident asking questions. Teachers noted that students who were previously quiet began to completely open themselves up in this new digital learning environment. The system shifts the classroom dynamic from passive listening to the active construction of knowledge. To recap, the researchers have built a tool that empowers teachers to be creators without needing a computer science degree. It combines document analysis, rapid AI editing, and interactive design into one seamless package for the classroom. In the future, this technology could mean that every student gets access to personalized, high-quality simulations tailored to their specific curriculum. Thank you for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more technology that is changing our world.